So this is nothing special. This is just me dicking around with the teppanyaki spatulas. Kind of trying to train myself.
funny how the toughest criminals and thugs and whatever, when they're on their deathbed, you know, like the day before they fry an electric chair, all of a sudden they want to get religious. I heard it like 9 out of 10 inmates on death row are all ultra religious. That's because they know they're about to die, they're about to meet whatever's after death. And it's funny, nobody wants to turn to God till it's too late, till it's time for you to fucking die.
Agony, pain, suffering, bang, 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 bang. Chains, devices, torture things. Is this hell? Well, might as well be. It's what's next and shit. I live life filthy, sexed, every bitch in the gut. today.
Call upon your God. Beg for them to help you. Call upon your God. Religion has left you. Final hour. Cross the final line. Life will end, but there is no end. Call upon your God. Beg for them to help you. Call upon your God. Religion has left you. The final hour. Cross the final line. Life will end, but there is no end to time.
Separate from bone.
Separate from bone.
One hot flash of metal.
Now you're on the circle alone. Laying face down in your own blood with nowhere to turn. Everything from your fingertips to those burn.
Pain sets in deep.
Open up your eyes.
The cold clutch of death's hand.
Care less about your life. As hell's cherry eggs come to carry you away. You finally realize it's too late to pray.
Help me out. I can't understand the way you think of what you're talking about. I see you sitting perfect circles with disciples of Satan. I got my shotgun cocked, newspapers and revelations. Every bullet is a story. They keep it glorified. The media's the target, and now they got to die. Son of Sam, my son. Fuck you with my shotgun. Wicked work will be done. Fuck it, catch a hot one.
Call upon your God. Beg for them to help you. Call upon your God. Religion has left you. Now the final hour. Cross the final line. Life will end, but there is no end to time. Beg for them to help you. Call upon your God. Religion has left you. Final hour. Cross the final line. Life will end, but there is no end to time.
There ain't no end in time, you hear me, heathen bitch boy. Bite your devil tongue before I stab you with this pitchfork. All that shit you talk about, my God, is a shame. Crying in pain, calling his name, you're such a hypocrite. Low down, inconsiderate piece of shit, and you ain't worth an ounce of spit. Blasphemous, dissing my Lord the clock. Well, where's the tough guy that told my God to go and fuck himself?
All of my life and times, all of my crimes, it got me looking for the sign that God's alive. Cause there's gotta be more to this life than the nines and coke lines, the violent crimes. I realize that they lied. Cause God's alive, he's inside of me. There ain't gonna be no afterlife when the judge of me. I ain't scared of death, I ain't scared of life. When I die, I'm gonna smile, bring it on. It's a good day to die.
Beg for them to help you. Call upon your God. Religion has left you. Final hour. Cross the final line. Life will end, but there is no end to time. Call upon your God. Beg for them to help you. Call upon your God. Religion has left you. Now the final hour. Cross the final line. Life will end, but there is no end to time.
Everybody's got a reason. Everybody's got an excuse of why.
Thanks for watching. Sorry you spent all that time. If you didn't enjoy it, whatever. Thanks to Amon and Marth, Twilight of the Thunder God, then some Dark Lotus, Call Upon Your God. Just had to give a wrap out. Alright, catch you guys later. Peace.